In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add RSS feeds to your Slack feed. RSS feeds are a simple way to bring updates from websites directly into Slack, so your team can stay on top of news, blog posts, alerts, or industry updates without constantly checking external sites. Once everything is set up, new content will flow automatically into the channel you choose. To get started, open Slack on your desktop or sign in through a web browser. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Apps section and click it. If you don't see it right away, click More to expand the menu and reveal the full list of workspace tools. This is where you'll access Slack's app directory and integrations. Next, use the search bar in the App Marketplace and type RSS. From the results, find the official Slack integration called RSS. Open that listing to view its details, then click the Add to Slack button. Slack will take you to a browser page to confirm the installation. There. Click Add RSS Integration to complete the authorization. Depending on your workspace settings, you may need the proper permissions before the app can be added. Once the integration is approved, you'll be taken to the RSS subscription dashboard. This is where you can manage feeds in a visual way. You can also work directly inside Slack by using / commands in the channel where you want updates to appear, which is often the faster option once you're familiar with it. To subscribe to a feed, you have two methods. In the web dashboard, find the Add a Feed section and paste in the RSS feed URL. Then choose the destination channel from the drop-down menu and click Submit. If you prefer doing it inside Slack, open the channel where you want the updates to go, click in the message field, and type /feed add followed by the RSS feed URL, then press Enter. Make sure you use the actual feed link, not just the homepage of the website. After that, Slack will test the connection by checking the feed's format. If everything works correctly, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know the subscription was added successfully. From that point on, Slack will check the feed regularly and post new items into the channel, including the title, a short summary, and a link to the original content. To keep things organized over time, it's a good idea to review your subscriptions occasionally. In any channel using the RSS app, type /feed list to see all active feeds and their ID numbers. If you need to remove one, type /feed remove followed by the feed ID or feed URL, then press Enter. That's it. Your Slack workspace is now set up to receive automated RSS updates in a clean and efficient way.